Hey guys, I'm coming back at you with a little refrigerator refresh. I'm doing a realistic cleaning out my refrigerator, but of course, I need to put something on in the background to help me focus. So I was watching a little Stranger Things. I'm not gonna lie, I am very surprised that I'm even considering putting this on the internet, but my refrigerator was looking trashed. I am so beyond blessed to have a beautiful refrigerator. Now, this particular model, it is on the smaller side, and sometimes it feels like I'm playing Tetris just to get everything to fit in. But regardless of the size, my refrigerator should never be this disorganized. So I'm going to take everything out. I'm going to give it a nice scrub down and I'm going to organize. And I thought I'd do it with you guys. And if you see a sticker on my back, that's a lovely gift from my 11-year-old. She thought it would be funny to stick a sticker on me without me knowing. And so you'll see it throughout this entire video. While I'm emptying out my refrigerator, I figured I'd do a little introduction just in case this is your first video that you've come across here on my channel. My name is Jessica and I enjoy vlogging bits and pieces of my life and sharing it here on YouTube. So if you enjoy watching vlogs that are faith-based, talking about day-to-day living, and hobbies, I would love for you to become a part of this community, so feel free to hit that subscribe button. Now, I might not be proud of how my fridge is currently looking, but that's okay, this is real life. Our fridge can get a bit messy. So much of what we see online is edited and polished, but I'm trying to share the in-between moments, the messes, the resets, the real parts of everyday life that usually don't make the highlight reel. And even though my fridge was looking like a hot mess, I am just so thankful that me and my husband are able to provide for our family good, delicious, nutritious meals throughout the entire week. So I've been talking a whole lot. I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and I'll let you enjoy the rest of this fridge clean out. Only if this took me 3.5 minutes, this took close to 2 hours for me. Now, is this extremely aesthetically pleasing? No, it's not, but it's organized, it's clean, and it's very easy to see what's going on in this fridge so the entire family can grab what they want and put it back in its place. Now, everything is currently in its place, but I do need to pick up a couple of things from the grocery store, which I am getting ready to share that haul with you guys in the next few minutes. Now, I did pick up a couple of clear containers to help keep me organized, but I didn't want too many just because of the size of this fridge. I did feel like if I had too many, it would quickly become overcrowded. The doors to this fridge are a pretty tight squeeze, so some things don't necessarily make sense on why they're sitting next to each other, but as long as I can see everything and everything has a place and everything fits, it's all that matters at the end of the day. But overall, I am so thankful that I took the time to clean out this refrigerator. It was long overdue, and I'm so thankful that you guys were able to hang out with me while I did this clean out.
the next day.
Since we just cleaned out the fridge together, I figured I would end this vlog with a quick grocery haul. I just did some shopping for the week, so I picked up a rotisserie chicken, some salmon. Down here is a pack of chicken breast, some yogurts, some teas, eggs, chips, some zero sugar root beer, some spicy mango with jalapeno sausages. I love having salad kits on hand. If I'm eating this by myself, one kit usually makes me about 4 lunches. I like to make wraps with this, with either the rotisserie chicken or some like turkey breast. So I got a couple of salad kits and then just a regular salad bag and shredded iceberg for when we do like flautas or something to have on top. I picked up a decaf coffee because I'm running low. Turkey pepperoni bites, love having those on hand. Honeydew melon. Goldfish, some sugar-free drink options that we can put into water bottles, some taco seasoning for when we make tacos. I have a cookies and cream for the entire house and then a sugar-free option for me, for my daughter, pepperoni pizza, some turkey bacon, a pack of turkey meat, soy sauce, zero sugar cream soda, pickles, tangerines, protein shakes, and apples. And then over here I have some produce. We have some grapes, which these are on sale. This whole bag was only $5. Zucchini, cucumber, a bell pepper, asparagus, some cilantro, bananas, corn, and tomatoes. So I will insert the complete total of all the food that I purchased while I was at Supermarket. But in general, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye guys! On the lookout, but I will be doing a Dollar Tree haul that includes these clear baskets that you can insert into your fridge right on the shelf, which works great for small fridges, being that your fruit is hanging versus taking up space on your shelf. So be on the lookout for that next vlog. Bye!